Hello, I am Shalini Saxena and today we will start topic lubricants. So what is lubricant? A lubricant is a substance which reduces friction between two moving surfaces. The property of reducing friction is known as lubricity. A good lubricant possesses the following characteristics: high boiling point, low freezing point, high viscosity index, thermal stability, corrosion prevention, high resistance to oxidation. Generally, lubricants contain 90% base oil and less than 10% additives. Vegetable oils or synthetic liquids such as hydrogenated polyolefins, esters, silicones, fluorocarbons, and many others are sometimes used as a base oils. Additives reduce friction and wear, increased viscosity, improved viscosity index, resistance to corrosion and oxidation, aging or contamination. Functions of lubricants: keep moving parts apart, reduce friction, transfer heat, carry away contaminants and debris, transmit power, protect against wear, prevent corrosion. Now we will discuss the classification of lubricants. Lubricants are classified into four types: solid lubricants, semi-solid lubricants, liquid lubricants, gaseous lubricants. First, solid lubricants. Solid lubricants present in solid phase, placed in between bearing surfaces, undergo more shear than bearing materials. Second, semi-solid lubricants. Example of semi-solid lubricants is grease. Grease is a black or yellow sticky mass used as a lubricant. It has low viscosity, contains base oil, additives, thickeners. Thickeners can be soap based or non-soap based. Third, liquid lubricants or lubricating oil. Liquid lubricants, known as liquid oils, low viscosity oils, have low fluid friction losses. Liquid can carry away heat. Liquid lubricants classified as A. Animal and vegetables oil. Animals and vegetables oil obtained from animals and vegetables such as cottonseed oils and castor oils. It have good oiliness. It is very costly and rarely used. B. Mineral or petroleum oils. Mineral and petroleum oils occur from earth crust. These are lower molecular weight hydrocarbons, stable under service conditions, less expensive, oiliness is less. C. Blended oils. If we want to increase the oiliness or the desired properties, additives are added. Additives enhance high pressure bearing capacity, improve pour point, viscosity index. Additives added lubricating oil are called blended oil. D. Synthetic lubricating oil. Synthetic lubricating oil are prepared by hydrocarbons, polyglycols, esters, polycarbons, amines, silicones, fluorine derivatives, etc. Fourth, gaseous lubricants. Example of gaseous lubricants are air, nitrogen, helium. Lubrication is used for ultra thin film thickness between tribo pairs. Now we will discuss about the theories of lubrication or mechanism. First, fluid film or thick film, hydrodynamic lubrication. A thick film or fluid separates the two sliding metal surfaces. The film of lubricant is adsorbed on the metal surface and held by van der Waals forces. The bulk lubricant prevents direct surface to surface contact so that the small peaks and valleys do not interlock. This results in reduction of friction. Fluid film or thick film present in delicate instruments, light machines like watches, clocks, guns, sewing machines. Second, thin film or boundary lubrication. This type of lubrication occurs when a continuous film of lubricant cannot persist and direct metal to metal is possible. In these conditions, the space between the moving or sliding surfaces is lubricated so that a thin layer of lubricant is adsorbed on the metal surfaces due to physical or chemical forces. This adsorbed layer helps to avoid the direct metal to metal contact between the rubbing surfaces. This load is carried by the layer of adsorbed lubricant on both the metal surface. Here is a diagram which shows two metal surface. Distance between two metal surface is less than 1000 angstrom. The thin layer of lubricant is absorbed on the metallic surface which avoid direct metal to metal contact. The load is carried by the layer of absorbed lubricant on both the metal surfaces. Third, extreme pressure hydrodynamic lubrication. When the machine runs under the condition of high speed and high load, the temperature rises between the moving surface of the metals. Under such serve condition, ordinary fluid film or boundary film is not effective because it may vaporize or fail to stick on the metal surfaces. Under such condition, extreme pressure lubrication is used. To handle extreme pressure difficulties, additives are added to lubricants so that lubricant can maintain the extreme pressure and temperature and continue to sustain lubricant characteristics. Additives are chlorinated esters, sulfurized oil. Properties of lubricants. The properties of lubricants are viscosity, S content, acid value, saponification, carbon residue, emulsification, oiliness, corrosion stability, aniline point, flash and fire point, cloud and pour point, volatility, specific gravity, precipitation number, steam emulsion number.